Hello. People have been asking me how to install Forge Minecraft mods, so I'm going to show you how to do it on Linux. It's a very similar process on Windows and Mac. I'm going to use a launcher called MultiMC, so I'm going to search for MultiMC. It's there. I'm going to click download, and if I was on Windows I'd click there, but I'm on Linux, I'm on Gallium Linux, but I'm going to click on Ubuntu, because that's quite similar to Gallium. That downloads a file there, press keep, and then click on the file, and there will be a little install button just there. So you click the install button, and you wait. I've already done it, that's why I don't see the install button, but it will be there. When it's finished installing, you can close AppGrid, and then you can go to your menu and you type MultiMC, and you'll see it in the menu there. You click on it, and first it asks for language, press next. Then it'll ask for your Java version, so you should already have this installed. If you don't have Java installed, then you can bring up terminal window, and the command there is the command that you would type to install Java. You just type that, you press enter, put in your password, and it will install it. Or you press enter again. Okay. But we've already got Java, so that's fine. Now, this is how much memory you're going to give to Minecraft. And the mod that we're going to install is a very big mod. So if you've only got 2 gigabytes of memory, it probably won't work. It will probably be really, really slow. So so if you've got so this is a newer laptop which has 4 gigabytes. So if you press the up arrow there, just keep pressing it. So the maximum it will let me allocate is that amount, which is okay for this mod. But if you can't get to at least 2000 megabytes, then it probably won't work. Okay, so I'm going to press next, untick that, press finish. Now the mod that I want is one called Farming Valley. As I said, it's a really big one. So it's there, it's on CurseForge. And you can see that there are 2 files. There's a server one and a client one. And we want the client file. So click on the zip file. And we don't want Twitch install, we want to download the file. So you click download there. And if you don't see download, sometimes you have to click on the name again, click on the name there. And then the download button should appear there. You click the download button, and then it downloads. I've already downloaded it, so when it's wait for it to finish downloading, and then when it's finished, you go back to here and you press add instance in MultiMC. And MultiMC you can do all the same versions of Minecraft that the standard launcher can do, but it can also do import a mod from a zip file. So downloads, we find the zip file that we downloaded, press open, press OK, and that will work out the correct version of Minecraft and set it up. Now, as I said, this needs a lot of memory, so I would probably close everything else on the computer before you try it. So I'm going to close the web browser, and I'm going to close that window there. So I've got nothing else open. And it's now set up the Minecraft with the mod there. So I press launch, and it's complaining because this is the first time I've used it, and so I've not logged into my Minecraft account. So I'm going to press yes, and I'm going to press add account, and I'll type in my email and password there, and then I'll press OK. And after I've done that, it will go back to here, and then I press launch again, and then it will launch the